Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back in front of the bookcase. It's been a very long time since I've been here, but I am back. I don't usually make these type of videos, but I was kind of hesitant to buy this book bag, and I haven't seen any other videos on it, like review videos. I've seen videos reviewing like the smaller version of it, but this is the meal management 45 liters WOLFpak backpack in Pink Goddess, or I think that's what the color's called, Pink Goddess. I don't know. I'm filming on my phone, so I can't check, but I'm pretty sure that's the name of the color. Anyway, you can't miss it on the WOLFpak website. I mean, it's super pink. 45 liter management, meal management one. I build my own gym, so I'm not going to the gym. I don't need a gym bag, but I do go to work 12-hour shifts sometimes. You know how it goes. And I've been using the meal prep bag for like 4 years, and it was time to upgrade to something bigger and nicer, and I wanted to put my nursing bag and my meal bag into one bag, and a backpack sounds amazing for that. So this is it, and I love it so much. I can't even. I haven't put all my nursing bag stuff in them because I did order like a pencil case and other like a bunch of pink stuff to go in it. But this is it. So the most important thing that I couldn't wrap my brain around is how the meal system works, like how deep does it go into. So this is the meal card, and it has 3 of these. I didn't take them apart yet. I will after this, and I will wash them evidently. Ooh, one fell. It does have here the receipt. It has a little I want an elastic thing here holding it, and you can put it higher or lower. Let me show you. Higher or lower, but I will be using, you know, depending on how many of those containers you use. And over here it also has another pocket with a zipper and the mesh liner, whatever. But yeah, it is not super deep in here, but if you come here you can see where it goes in. Does that make sense? Like how deep the first pocket goes in. And then in here you have another little mesh pocket and another regular pocket, and then here you have the ice pack. So you just put water in this, and it also came with silverware. I mean, it's like plasticware, but let me take it out. It is plasticware, but it is pretty like hard plastic. I don't know if I'll use it. We'll see. I have a little set that I bought a long time ago that has like a plastic zipper bag that fits like the fork, a spoon, and it also has chopsticks. So I have chopsticks that I always carry with me. But yeah. So let me close these. Okay, so we went over those. It did come with a trust your instincts and the US flag. Depending on what bag you buy, it would have a different I don't know what they're called, little sticky patches. That was the word, patches. I did buy the Romanian flag on Amazon because I was like, if I have the American flag, I have to have the Romanian flag. So that's that. And then here it has an extremely spacious, like, look how spacious it is. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like, see, super spacious little pocket. And it also came with a sticker that says wolfpak.com. You gotta advertise it. And then evidently here you can attach whatever you want. I do want to mention this. I will use on my locker. I bought it separately, but it is pink to match the theme. The reason why I got this one is because I did want to have the place where you put the actual like meal prep containers. And then these ones have the 2 side pockets for drinks, and I love staying hydrated. It has the clip that makes it tighter, and then yeah, they also sell bottles that are like, you know, the WOLFpak bottles, and they fit perfectly in there, but I already have a million bottles, so I didn't buy any. I love that it has the little WOLFpak patch right here, and it does come off, but I'll just leave it there because I think it's actually a pretty cool feature. And then it has the big the big container. I wanted to say the big pocket, which I can't find. Oh, there they are. The zippers. So humongous. It has another 2 mesh ones. One has a zipper, one doesn't. The silverware is falling. Over here you can put your laptop or tablet or whatnot, and then in the back it has another pocket that has a velcro where you can put your laptop, tablet, whatever. This one is like super padded. The other one on the inside is not as padded, but yeah, it is made out of like very nice material. Like, it feels really nice, and the padding is crazy on it. It has the waist buckle, and then it has like one over here on the chest area if you're going someplace with it. It's pretty big. For comparison, I am 5'10" and a half. Oh my god, I just can't get over it. I love it so much. Like, you guys don't understand. It was kind of pricey. It was $189 plus tax. I think shipping was free, and I was, you know, pretty hesitant to buy it because I mean, I've never spent $200 on a backpack, so I wanted to make the review. So it is out there for other people who want to order these. 100% recommend. Obviously I haven't used it for a long time, but by the way that it feels, like, I think it will last for a long time. Like, you know, I used my last one for 4 years. I'm hoping that I can get at least 4 years out of this. This was it. It has other little, like, if you want to make it smaller or whatnot, and on the sides here it's like designed kind of like in a military style. I want to say, like, it's kind of similar to my military backpack. For reference, I have it, well, it's not military per se, but I bought it on base, and it does have the stickers and all the attachment stuff on there. So I just had it next to me for reference. I didn't take it out on purpose. I just had my military weekend. That's why I didn't post last weekend, in case you were wondering. But yeah, this was it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.